Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to use Windows built-in file system level encryption feature, known as the Encrypting File System, or EFS. EFS has been available in Windows since Windows 2000 and allows us to encrypt individual files or folders. This feature is supported on most Windows editions, except the Home version. I'll demonstrate how to perform file system level encryption on Windows using the following two methods: file encryption with EFS using the command prompt, enabling EFS using advanced attributes on a selected file or folder. Right, first I'm gonna log into my Windows machine. Right, on the desktop, I'll create a sample text file named CyberEd. After creating the CyberEd text file, I'll enter some random text inside the file. I'll click the Type Here to Search field at the bottom left corner of the desktop and type CMD. When command prompt appears in the search results, right-click it and select Run as Administrator. When the UAC window appears, I'll click Yes to proceed. In the command prompt, type the following command and press Enter. Here, the /E parameter specifies encryption of a file or directory. Cipher is a built-in Windows command line tool and can be used to encrypt and decrypt files on NTFS partitions. It can also be used to securely delete data by overwriting it to prevent recovery. The text file has now been encrypted successfully. Next, I'll type Cipher /W:/C:\users admin desktop cybered.txt. As stated in the result of the previous command, encrypting plaintext files may leave portions of the old plaintext data on disk, so it's recommended to use the Cipher /W:/directory command to securely overwrite free space after encryption. The Cipher.exe utility now begins overwriting the data. The first pass is all zeros, the second pass is all 255s, and the final pass, just random numbers. This process takes approximately 5 minutes to complete. Once it's finished, navigate back to File Explorer, Desktop, and observe that the cybered.txt file has been encrypted. Next, I'll enable EFS using advanced file attributes. Create another text file in the D directory and enter some random text inside the file. Right-click on the file and select Properties. Click the Advanced button. In the Advanced Attributes window, I'll select the checkbox, Encrypt Contents to Secure Data, then I'll click OK. Back in the Sample File Properties window, I'll click Apply and then OK. Now I can observe that the selected file has been encrypted. This concludes the demonstration showing how to encrypt files using built-in file system level encryption in Windows. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm CyberEd and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.